Hey YouTube, RC Flyer here. Going to take up the Turbo Timber SWS. We have a nice 10 plus mile an hour wind. You can see the windsock just flying. So see a wind test, see how well she'll do in the wind. I'm sure she'll do fine. So let's take her up. Flaps up. This is against the wind. Try to go right into the wind, overhead. Zero throttle right now. Give her some throttle. Nice and slow. You can see, not bad in the wind. We'll take her back around. And you can see the wind just pushing it. Zero throttle. Nice and low and slow. Oh, gonna have to work for the landing though. Still good in the air. Still good in the air. Nice loop. Take her back down the runway. Not gonna do too much stupid stuff today with this amount of wind. You can see it pushing it. Snap it. I'm back down.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Gonna keep her high today just for the fact I don't want to make any mistakes, especially in this wind. But you can see she's doing very well in this wind. There we go. Very fun plane to fly. Very easy, very agile. And if you're wondering if you saw me crash this is a brand new plane. I have parts for it, but the crash was too much to repair. It would have just cost about the same to repair it. All right.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Just nice and easy flight today. Roll rate's really nice. Got plenty of power for this wind. Gonna take her down one more time, low, and then we're gonna land her. You can see, I hope I don't do anything stupid landing her. And I'm not gonna use flaps because with this wind, you're not gonna need them. So we're gonna come back around. I'm actually going to land in mid rates. Here's our approach.
1 minute.
Oh, I'm going to have to do that again. Good news is I got plenty of battery. Well, this is gonna be a fun landing.
30 seconds.
Oh, we're down. I missed the runway, but I'll take it.